how to delete old WhatsApp messages for everyone. So if you want to delete old WhatsApp messages for everyone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. You'll notice that it only shows the delete me option. Like for example, if I select this one, if you go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, or just tap on delete, and then you will have delete for me. To fix this, you need to go back and then go with your phone settings. But before that, make sure that you remember the date right here, which is April 1. Once you do that, you need to go back and then open up your settings. And here, you need to search for date and time. After searching, tap on date and time and then turn off set time automatically. And then you need to go with date and time and change your time. Manually set the date and time to just a few minutes after the message was originally sent. After that, you can go back to your WhatsApp and then tap and hold on to your message again, and you will see the delete for everyone option. And it will be removed from both sides. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.